What if a computer could warn us about hurricanes, floods, or earthquakes before they happen? Imagine getting early alerts that save lives, protect homes, and prevent economic loss. It sounds like science fiction, but artificial intelligence is now analyzing satellite data to predict natural disasters with unprecedented accuracy. Could this be the breakthrough that finally helps humanity prepare for nature's worst surprises? Why early disaster prediction matters. Natural disasters strike with devastating consequences. Hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and wildfires cause thousands of deaths and billions in property damage every year. One of the biggest challenges in disaster management is speed. Traditional prediction methods rely on human analysis of weather patterns or seismic data, which can take hours or days to process. By the time warnings are issued, it is often too late. Early detection is critical. AI can process massive amounts of satellite data in real time, identifying subtle patterns that indicate an imminent disaster. How AI analyzes satellite data? Artificial intelligence uses machine learning to analyze data from satellites monitoring Earth. It tracks weather patterns, river and sea levels, soil moisture, forest density, and tectonic activity. By detecting unusual patterns, AI can predict potential dangers like floods from rising water and changing rainfall. Learning from past disasters, AI continuously improves its predictions, helping communities prepare and respond more accurately to natural hazards over time. Predicting hurricanes and storms. Hurricanes and tropical storms are some of the deadliest natural disasters. AI systems can now analyze satellite imagery to track storms' formation, speed, and intensity. By comparing current patterns with decades of historical hurricane data, AI can predict the storm's path and potential impact areas. For instance, AI models have helped meteorologists forecast storms several days earlier than traditional methods. This extra time allows authorities to issue evacuation orders, prepare shelters, and secure infrastructure. Early warning is the difference between life and death in many cases. Flood detection and risk assessment. Floods are among the most common and destructive disasters worldwide. Satellites monitor river levels, rainfall, and terrain changes. AI can process this data to predict where floods are likely to occur and which areas are at highest risk. In countries prone to flooding, AI systems have been used to alert communities days before water levels rise dangerously. This helps governments allocate resources, move people to safer areas, and minimize economic losses. Could AI become the standard tool for flood prevention globally? Earthquake and tsunami warnings. Predicting earthquakes has always been a challenge because tectonic activity is complex and unpredictable. AI, however, can analyze satellite images of land movements and seismic activity to detect early signs of stress along fault lines. Some systems can even simulate how a quake might trigger tsunamis. By combining historical earthquake data with real-time satellite observations, AI provides warnings that help coastal communities prepare for potential tsunamis. Wildfire monitoring and prevention. Wildfires are increasing worldwide due to climate change. AI systems can monitor forest density, dryness, and temperature patterns from satellites. By detecting hotspots or areas with high fire risk, AI can alert firefighting teams before fires spread out of control. In some regions, AI has successfully predicted fire-prone zones weeks in advance. Governments and communities use this information to clear vegetation, deploy firefighting resources, and evacuate residents. The future of AI in disaster management. The future is promising. AI may soon integrate satellite data with ground sensors, social media reports, and drone imagery to provide even more precise predictions. Early warning systems could become standard in every country, protecting vulnerable communities worldwide. Imagine a world where earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes no longer strike without warning, where AI guides evacuation, resource allocation, and emergency planning in real time. Could this be the key to a safer future for everyone? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing disaster prediction by analyzing satellite data faster and more accurately than humans ever could. From hurricanes to floods, earthquakes, and wildfires, AI provides early warnings that save lives, protect property, and prepare communities. While challenges remain, the potential is enormous. What do you think? Would you trust AI to warn you about disasters before they strike? Share your thoughts in the comments. Press the like button and stay updated on this life-saving technology. Thank you.